Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's the home of the 5-minute video or less. I worked at IRS for a decade. I've been in private practice for 4 decades. Yes, in August I will be doing this 50 years. I've worked about 10,000 cases. I've been doing IRS taxpayer defense for 40 years, and I have a whole team of former IRS agents that I work with. You can visit my YouTube channel and see the former agents on staff, and I've been on TV a bunch of times, national news. You can look at my interviews at 777irs.com. I do these videos to either inform you of scams, especially in the offer and compromise. I give you insider information from IRS that most people can't do, and I educate you. Today is an educational video, and what happens if your W-2 is wrong? What do you do? Or the company's out of business? What happens? What do you do? A million times a year this happens. So if it happens to you, don't be afraid. IRS has a provision. This video is going to take me about 90 seconds to explain to you what to do. So if your W-2 is wrong, or you don't get a W-2, you go ahead and simply download a form 4852. That's an IRS form 4852, and it substitutes for the regular W-2. So if you didn't get your W-2, if it's wrong, once again, download form 4852, print it and stick it with your tax return. If you want to go ahead and document that, if you can, if you don't have if you didn't get a W-2 and you still have a pay stub that you can confirm or show IRS that your information is right, that's really helpful. So IRS will go ahead and accept it rather than just accept some blank form. So the more information you have, if your company went out of business and you could show it went out of business, that's one reason you may not have got a 4852. And if it is wrong, for instance, show IRS how you came up with the compilations to correct it. It'll at least stop more correspondence. IRS generally, most of the time, accepts the 4852. So once again, if they're wrong, or you haven't received it, you want to at least document it, put it on your tax return, you got a good shot IRS is going to accept it. Don't get all caught up this. It happens so many times. It especially happens when companies go out of business or they got a bad bookkeeper. They usually do get wrong and you don't get your W-2. Anyway, if this video was good, how about giving me a subscription? I would love it. If you have other problems, you want to leave me a comment, and I think it's a YouTube worthy, I'll leave it. I appreciate very much. We're always available for representation, and I do appreciate the subscription. Thank you very much.